Welcome to the Wide with Umsakazi. Today we're coming straight to you live from the streets of Umbilo. You know, last week Friday I was invited at Suncoast Casino, the Globe. It was all about Red Bull Dance Your Style competition. Kagasi FM, President's #1 regional commercial radio station was there. The Wide with Umsakazi was there. Check this out. Bonhle Modisela was a driver of the show. It was so amazing. We kicked off the show by Ukata Joburg versus Durban. It was like Kulwa izinkunzi esibayeni esisodwa. It was amazing. Check this out. Slender, the dancing DJ, came through and then she was like, let me show y'all how to do this shit. Simazuki series is Sex Seduction. He was there to, grace us. We also had Obriguana in the house. Poo 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 poo. Definitely the food was fooding. A huge shout out to Spare, people with the taste for life. And then the winner is... Huge shout out to the winner, also Mele South Africa, overseas. And then after that, Zibese Zibai Paris.